Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create shadows in Picsart. So let's go ahead and open Picsart.com and then log into your account. Now what you need to do is click the New Project button and then click Create Canvas. Now you can upload your photos by going on Uploads. As I have already uploaded my photos, I will just use this. And if you want to upload a photo, you will just go ahead and click upload and you can upload photos from here. So I will upload this and this photo over here. Now I'm going to work on these and I'm going to create a shadow for this cat. So let's go ahead and resize this, align it with the cat. And now what you need to do is go in the brush or draw tool, click on draw, and what you need to do is go ahead and choose this soft edge brush. Now you need to create the size and you can choose the size like this. You can see that this is too much, so just cancel it, go to draw again and make the size lesser. Now you need to create the flow into 0, otherwise the shadow will not be looking genuine. So you can see that if you increase the flow, this will be more blacker. So what you need to do is make the flow to 0 and then you can brush it and you can make it look natural. You can see that this looks quite natural and this looks like a natural shadow for your cat. So this was a video on how you can create shadows in Picsart. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.